What's up, Kalimbakers? Kalimbakers, no? Welcome to my first ever video tutorial on the Kalimba. And today, I'm going to answer the question, how did I learn playing this instrument without actually watching any tutorial on YouTube? Okay. Well, the answer to that question is not because I'm a musically genius guy, because I'm not. But it's just that I can play several instruments already, such as guitar, ukulele, and keyboard, or the piano. And if you know those instruments, if you know how to play them, it's easy to transfer the learning to Kalimba. As for music, the first three letters of music is do, re, mi. So that's why.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
And I'm making this video upon request of Alpha Marie Aves. She said, Kuya, gawa ka ng tutorial for Kalimba, please. And I said, I just learned how to play the Kalimba. Pero sige, but okay, I will make a tutorial based on how I understand it. So, expect that in this video, I'm going to explain to you the basic of Kalimba based on how I understand it. Thank you and just keep watching. The first thing you must know on the Kalimba is to map out where the mother scale is. Major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Let me show you where it is. Going back. It's like 2 octaves of the piano. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. And then you go higher. Alright, that's the first thing you need to know. Now, I'm going to give you comparisons on the ukulele or guitar and the piano or the keyboard.
Do, re, mi.
Alright, so we have here the basic keyboard, student keyboard, and it starts with C2. Octave, of course, is C3. And then here we have the C4. Kalimba doesn't start here. It doesn't start right here. It starts with C4. So, from C4 to octaves, that's the Kalimba notes. Those who know how to play piano or keyboard, they will find it easier for the sake of mapping out, Kalimba mapping out. This is C4, and you have here C5. Okay? And then from here, it. Then we're now in C5 going to C6, because again I said 2 octaves from C4, right? So from here, okay, and you know, I'm talking about the standard tuning of Kalimba. When I bought my Kalimba like 1 month ago, that's the tuning already, and I think that's the standard tuning of Kalimba, although you can change the tuning anytime. And so this is the last key of, this is the 6, C6. Well, there are in fact 2 more additional notes, and they are, so it's until E6. Let me just check it out. Yes, until E6.
Do, re, mi.
Now we're going to the comparison of ukulele and Kalimba. So we don't need to go to the guitar anymore. I'm just showing you the mother of all scale, and that is the major scale. Although you can use, harmony, but it's very useful in creating melodies. Major scale starts from here. It's the same thing, the base of Kalimba, C4. C4. And then we have here. Here. Going back. Alright, that's it. So going to the next octave, suppose you're really gonna map out the Kalimba all throughout. So this is C5. So from C5, So this is C6 and then 2 more additional note right there. I did it first in my ukulele and then I transferred it to Kalimba since I'm a beginner in Kalimba. Okay, but that's how I learn it.
Do, re, mi.
Suppose you don't have any background of other instruments and this is the very first instrument that you're gonna learn. Will you be able to learn Kalimba without a background knowledge of any other musical instruments? The answer is yes, because there are plenty of learning materials in the internet. For example, tabs and the numbered version of tabs. 2 ways to learn how to play the Kalimba without, any background of other musical instruments. I'm going to teach you how to read the tabs for the Kalimba, and it's very simple. Here's a version of You Are My Sunshine, and it's a monophonic version, single note only, and it's only the melody. Although you can also get the one with harmony with the chords, but better to start learning how to read tabs with just monophones because it's easy to understand and it's simple to play. Now you're seeing on your screen here, this is C, your center. Here, somewhere in the left, you have D and E. So it's just that my Kalimba doesn't have red marks, but you may want to put your own marks, stickers right here. So you have the stickers here. The tab has sticker right here and in the middle. Reading tabs for Kalimba starts from the bottom going to the top. Then the next page the same. Okay, when you go to the next page of this tab, you do the same. Read it from the bottom then to the top. Okay, so the first note right there is G, this one. The red mark is right here, the sticker for other Kalimba. Okay, and then the next note is this one. Next is this. Let's try this one, okay? Alright, you get that? And here's another version of You Are My Sunshine with numbers. You may also download numbered tabs or numbered notes like this. Here, the version goes 2, 5, 6, 7, 7. So it's in a different pitch. 2, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1. When you see the number with a dot on the top of it, it means higher pitch. 3, 2, 1. Then 7. Okay, so there you go. I hope you learned something from this video. If you find this video helpful in any way, please smash that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again, Kalimbakers.